Hello, everyone. So, if you're dreaming of becoming a journalist, a news anchor, filmmaker, content creator, so this is for you. I guess this video is for you. I'll tell you that choosing the right college is really important if you are really wanted to pursue any of this career. So, here in this video, I give you and recommend you the top 10 colleges where you should apply, because the biggest mistake the students make that they apply to colleges based on the ranking or the social media reels without understanding what college actually specializes in. So, in this video, I'm going to reveal the top 10 mass communication and journalism colleges in India. I'll tell you the colleges which is best for journalism and which is best for filmmaking, which is best for, which is the king of advertising, and where you will find the best industry exposure. So don't skip this video, because the college you choose today, you could define your career tomorrow. I can say that. So let's start with the number 10 college. The countdown starts. Number 10 is the Manipal Institute of Communication. So if you're looking for a modern campus with a excellent digital media facilities and international exposure, Manipal is a great option. And the students receive hands-on training in journalism, digital storytelling, filmmaking. Maybe it is a very good college, and the media production maybe. So it's an excellent choice अगर आप practical learning आपकी priority है तो. So it's a great choice. Now let's come to number 9. Number 9, when it comes to Symbiosis Institute of Media and Communication का नाम आता है. तो if you are interested in corporate communication, advertising, media management, digital marketing, अगर आपको ये सब कुछ सीखना है तो आपके लिए it is the best option, and it has a strong industry connection and a good placement opportunities as well. Number 8 is Xavier's Institute of Communication, जो मुंबई में है, and it is located, of course, मुंबई में located है, और मुंबई में होने के कारण ही इसको काफ़ी अच्छा एक मीडिया एक्सपोजर आपको मिल सकता है, because the students unmatched exposure to media and entertainment industry is definitely going to help you out. And if you dream of working in television, radio, advertising, filmmaking, तो इसके लिए ये कॉलेज will give you a valuable industry access. Then comes to number 7, which is Christ University, Bangalore. So Christ University, it has a combined academic discipline with the practical media training, and from students publication, television studios, internship, campus, सब कुछ आपको यहाँ पर हेल्प करेगा टू बिल्ड अ स्ट्रॉन्ग पोर्टफोलियो. आपके पोर्टफोलियो बहुत स्ट्रांग हो जाएगी. नंबर 6 इज द एशियन कॉलेज ऑफ जर्नलिज्म, जो चेन्नई में है. दैट इज ऑल्सो अ बेस्ट जर्नलिस्ट टॉक अबाउट क्वालिटी न्यूज रूम. तो इट इज़ ऑलवेज अ पार्ट ऑफ द कॉन्वर्सेशन. अगर बेस्ट जर्नलिज्म आपको सीखना है तो द इंस्टीट्यूट ऑल्सो फोकसेज ऑन इन्वेस्टिगेटिव रिपोर्टिंग, multimedia journalism, data journalism, ethical reporting. So it is making it ideal for students who want to work in leading news organizations. Now let's come to the 5, which is my favorite, Makhalal Chaturvedi National University of Journalism and Communication. Why my favorite? Because I completed my master's from this university, and I could say that it is India's first journalism university. So Makhalal ने मुझे बहुत help किया है. It gave me a lot of exposure in getting a good campus and getting a lot of opportunities where I would represent my university. So Makhalal has built a strong reputation in journalism, electronic media, public relation, and new media. And of course, इसकी जो fee structure है, it is so affordable, and उसकी जो practical approach है, that makes it most best, one of the best government institutions for the aspiring journalist. Now let's come to number 4, which is Maika Ahmedabad. And why it is a different, थोड़ा डिफरेंट कॉलेज है व्हेन इट कम्स टू, अगर आप बहुत ही सीरियस जर्नलिज्म करना चाहते हैं तो दिस कॉलेज इज़ नॉट फॉर यू. दिस कॉलेज इज़ फॉर देम जो कि अपने ब्रांड स्ट्रैटेजिस्ट बनना चाहते हैं, एडवर्टाइजिंग लीडर्स बनना चाहते हैं, मार्केटिंग कम्युनिकेशन एक्सपर्ट्स, या डिजिटल मीडिया में वो अपना हाथ आजमाना चाहते हैं. So if you dream of working with the top brands or the global advertising agency, Mica should definitely be on your priority list. And number three then comes to Indian Institute of Mass Communication. और for decades IMC के बारे में मुझे नहीं लगता कोई introduction की ज़रूरत है, because it has been one of the most respected names in journalism education. Thousands of its alumni work in newspapers, television channels, digital platforms, government communication, and the public relations. So if your dream is to become a journalist, IIMC remains one of the strongest choices. Now, number two is अब बताइए, नंबर टू है जामिया मिलिया इस्लामिया। जी हाँ। सो इफ फिल्म मेकिंग, टेलीविजन प्रोडक्शन, डॉक्यूमेंट्री, सिनेमाटोग्राफी और विजुअल स्टोरी टेलिंग एक्साइट्स यू, तो it is one of the best and the finest institution in the country. It graduates have worked in films, different OTT platforms, बहुत सारे टीवी चैनल्स में भी काम किया है, इंटरनेशनल मीडिया एंड प्रोजेक्ट्स में भी काम किया है। और मेरा नंबर वन भी यही है, जामिया मिलिया इस्लामिया। जी हाँ, एट नंबर वन। वाई? बिकॉज इट ऑफर्स द कंप्लीट पैकेज, सब कुछ मिलेगा आपको। एक्सीलेंट एकेडमिक्स, अफोर्डेबल फीस, experienced faculty, strong research culture, industry exposure, outstanding alumni. So whether your goal is journalism, अगर आप जर्नलिज्म करना चाहते हैं, फिल्म मेकिंग करना चाहते हैं, डिजिटल मीडिया करना चाहते हैं, रिसर्च करना चाहते हैं, मीडिया स्टडीज करना चाहते हैं, तो इट कंटिन्यूज टू बी वन ऑफ द इंडियाज मोस्ट रिस्पेक्टेड डेस्टिनेशंस फॉर द मीडिया एजुकेशन। एंड डेफिनेटली, बट एक important advice before you apply, remember this: there is no perfect college for everyone. So if you want journalism institutions like Jamia, IMC, Makhalal are excellent choices अगर प्योर जर्नलिज्म करना चाहते, ग्राउंड रिपोर्टिंग, प्योर जर्नलिज्म जिसको हम कहते हैं। बट इफ योर पैशन इज फिल्म मेकिंग, देन माइका स्टैंड्स आउट। सो and if you are aiming for advertising, branding, or strategic communication, Mica is one of the best in the country. So choose your college based on your career goals, not just on ranking. And of course, if you like this video, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment below which college you are planning to apply to. And if you are like the detailed videos on the entrance exam, fee, scholarship, hostel life, placement for each college, then also let me know.